Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, what we should do is to check if you have the last software version, so open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list and you need to have connection. I have not connected because I made factory reset before it and it do not update. So you just tap on it if you have connection and then you go to the settings at the right top. At the last line we have update firmware. Don't worry, firmware is the same as software, so we can check software version right here. And as you can see I have the last one. If you haven't it, right here at the bottom you will see a circle download, you tap on it and then you will see a circle install. And you tap on it, wait until this update is finished. Now, if it didn't help you or you haven't new updates, like me, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and then at the back side, right here at the top, we have the SOUNDCORE logo, and here's touch areas. You need to press and hold on both of them for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove it from the phone and then add it. So go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, then you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device. And after a factory reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see it as the device list. Now tap on it, and we did it. The last one. If all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds. So put it to the charging case and fully charge it. Then, if the battery level are the same, just contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!